microwave and then unwanted stuff. Alright guys, we're gonna make a dill rice with the sour chicken. So first we're gonna do the rice. We're gonna do it like about the cup. Guys, we're gonna add the salt. We're gonna mix it. Make sure test it. This should be a little bit salty. Let's prepare our chicken. So we have a tooth chicken leg. So first we're gonna take the skin off. And extra fat. The chicken is cut. We're gonna put it in here. And we're gonna add a turmeric. Pepper. Salt. And we're gonna massage it. Leave it for a few minutes, about like 20 minutes, then we're gonna start cooking. I'm gonna first add the oil. We're gonna add our onion. I'm gonna cook it for a few minutes. Let's check on rice. So the rice is almost ready. Once the rice is done, it's good. Now we're gonna drain the water. And put it on the water, cold water to get the other cold. So we put it in the side now. Add the butter. Just let the butter to get melted. Our oil is ready. Our butter is melted almost. We're gonna add a bread in there and push it down. Now we're gonna come to the rice. We're gonna have a dough. So we're gonna add around it like that. And we're gonna mix it a little bit. And add a little bit more. And we're gonna mix it again. You see, everywhere is get like a greenish. Once it's like that mix, then we're gonna add it to our pot. Put the lid and leave it for about 20 to 30 minutes. Just add a little bit butter, put the door, and the heat is low. I'm gonna have a couple garlic. I'm gonna smash them. And on the onion to let it fry them. I'm gonna fry both sides for about like a 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes each side. Alright, once you cook the chicken all through, now we're gonna add the garlic to the snack. We add it in the side, and we're gonna mix it. 1 tablespoon tomato paste. We put in there to let it fry for just a few seconds. And we're gonna add our vegetables. So our vegetables is gonna be a half a teaspoon oregano, celery, parsley, mint, and cumin and thyme. So we're gonna mix it and put it in there. Let's make it a little bit fried. Then we're gonna add 2 cups water and leave it for 20 to 30 minutes to cook. Okay, it's almost water gone. We're gonna add a sour pomegranate. I don't know this. I bought it from the Rash Delicates. It's located in Canada. This and it's a pomegranate paste, but this one is a sour. So we're gonna add it like 1 scoop. So we're gonna make it sour. Then we're gonna have a powdered sour grape. I'm gonna add about half a teaspoon. And this is the important one, is a sour grape juice. So we're gonna add about 2 spoons. Then we're gonna mix it, leave it for 5 more minutes. It's gonna be ready after that. That's our chicken, sour chicken. I'm just gonna grab the one piece over here. Juices. It's absolutely beautiful. So I'm just gonna take this one. Look at how crunchy it is. Perfect. So you gotta get that one, the juices on it. Really sour and it's great. So you guys should make it at home and try it.